This program is an interactive visualization tool that demonstrates how to determine which side of a line arbitrary points are located on. It creates a dynamic canvas with hundreds of moving points that change color based on their position relative to a controllable dividing line. The core mathematical principle used in this is the signed distance formula, which calculates a determinant value d that indicates a point's orientation relative to the line. This visualization could be useful for computer graphics, game development, geometric algorithms, data visualization. Core mathematical principle. The program uses the signed distance formula, where x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the control points defining the line. xy is the position of any moving point. The sign of d determines which side of the line a point is on. d is less than 0, point is on one side, colored red. d is greater than 0, point is on the other side, colored blue. d equal to 0, point lies exactly on the line. Now let's look at the code. The HTML creates a minimalist web page with just two key elements: a full screen container figure and the canvas element inside it, where all visuals will appear. This is a bare-bones structure. The CSS does three things. First, it resets default browser styles to ensure consistent rendering. Second, it makes the figure container fill the entire browser viewport with a dark background. Third, it positions the canvas element absolutely within this container. This way, the drag and drop functionality will be easier to implement. The program uses four main JavaScript functions. Point class creates and manages each moving dot. The constructor sets random position, size and speed. Update method handles movement and checks positions relative to the line. The render method draws the dot on canvas. Handle 2 points manages dragging the control points. Tracks mouse down, mouse up, mouse move events. Calculates new positions when dragged. Updates the dividing line position. Animate. The main animation loop that runs continuously. Clears the canvas each frame. Updates and draws all points. Draws the current dividing line. Requests the next animation frame. Initialization. Sets everything up. Creates the canvas. Makes all points objects. Positions control points. Starts the animation. The link to the file location is in the description. I will scroll through the file now. That's all for now. Have a nice one.